right behind me. This is the first time I've ever seen it like this on camera. Good thing we got a new chair. Hey YouTube, what is up? My name is Pattiya and this is part 2 to the room renovation transformation series, or what do you want to call it. We have 2 guests today. This is 4. We have 2 guests today. Pudgy's down here and we have Ryan right here. They don't have to be here, they're just both here because I guess they want to see everything that I got back there. We have a lot of stuff. Well, we got a lot of stuff for the new and improved room. If you guys didn't see the last video, please check that out because we repainted my whole room. As you can see, Pudgy's very excited for today's video, but we have some stuff from Hobby Lobby, Home Depot, a lot of Amazon in here, Target, Michael's. We're gonna get into all of the stuff. That way in the next video when I put it all up, no one has to ask me where I got all these items from because the links will be down below to every single one of these items. So go check it out if you're interested in anything. But let's start unboxing. Here, you can hand me the packages actually, that'd be nice. No more pink chair, no more pink room. So we're just gonna go randomly. So I got this plant. This was only $5 at Target, very cute. I wanna bring some more life into my room. So that's why we have this, but $5 for this is a really good deal. In the next video, I will show you where I'm placing all this. Like we're actually gonna decorate together. So right now, the plant's just sitting there, but it might not stay there. Next package. This one is from Amazon. I think this one also, I need scissors, is a plant. I'm excited because I have not seen this, but it looked really cute online. Unboxing, it is the plant.
Wow.
Another fake plant. Oh, look at the basket.
That is cool.
Here you go, Pudgy. So this is actually really cool. So this basket's gonna go against a wall somewhere in here.
That's cool.
Oh, it has a little hanging mount thing. Ow, it just stabbed me. So it comes with a little hanging stuff. It's a little basket. And I love the plant because the plant goes in the basket and it's just gonna dangle like that.
This is cool.
Oh, look at it! It's so long! And it's so green. So babe, it goes like this.
Yeah, I'm confused.
You're confused?
Yeah, I don't know how it works.
Pudgy and you are so... It would have been him. Pudgy and you are so interested in this.
Oh my... Sounds like you broke it.
Something like this. And then it just like hangs on the wall, you know? I'll make it look better. Right now it's not. But you get the idea. I think this is so pretty.
That is cool, yeah.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is fun. I don't have to get up and pick up anything. This is a big one. Oh, this one's so exciting. This is like the last order I got. This one's from eBay. I love eBay. I think if you watch my channel enough, you would know that. It's a big box. I can do it.
All right, here.
Okay, I'm excited for this one.
Jesus.
The chair.
Let's get the chair.
I know, let's get the chair out.
What are those pillows?
It is one gigantic pillow.
Hold on, there's something in there. Thank you card.
It's adorable. Pudgy, get down.
What the heck? They gave her a thank you card.
That's sweet. See, eBay, support your small businesses. This was a small business, but look, she had a whole bunch of them, and this one is adorable. It's gonna match the room much better. I'm going for a black and white theme. If you couldn't tell, the walls are white. Oh my gosh, it's comfy. It's so nice.
That's really nice. I
love the tassels. That's what sold me. This one is a good one. This one, you're gonna react to this one.
Why?
Okay, this one, guys, is so good. I'm gonna catch Ryan's reaction. I'll explain more about it after I show Ryan to get his reaction first, but just know this is the packaging for it if you get the biggest one.
Why?
You're gonna already know. Ready?
Yeah, okay.
You know what it is?
What is that?
Guess who it is?
That's not funny.
Yeah. Like, wonder how they did. So what it is, it's a poster of our beloved Pudgy. He's gonna hang in my room. It's by the company, the Weston Willow. I have one made of Sophie as well, who recently just passed, and they did a really good job on that one, so I can't wait to see how they did on our baby Pudgy. I sent them this photo. So let's see if it looks like it.
Which photo?
You'll see.
Okay, I think I have an idea.
You think you know?
Your wallpaper?
You're gonna see. This is one of my favorite photos of him. Okay, let's reveal it together. You're already laughing. Come look at
That's funny.
It's perfect.
Looking at him.
Oh my god, it looks so much like him. That's Fudgy. Oh, and look at his name. Babe, it's perfect. It looks so much like the picture. Wow. You love it, huh?
Yeah, you should put the picture side by side.
No, I am. Like, look. It's accurate.
Is that the frame, the 16 by 20?
This is the biggest one. I don't know. I think it's 18 by 24. Again, links below. Oh my gosh, that's you. That is you. It's so good. That's you. They did an amazing job. Oh my gosh. Huge shout out to the West and Willow. They're amazing. Like, this is amazing. It's so accurate. Thank you guys. Oh my god. I'm so happy with it. I can't get over how good it is. And the font, it's so modern, which is what I'm going for in my room. It's just so minimalistic and I love it. It's gonna look beautiful in the room.
Oh, that was really satisfying.
Why'd you have to open it? You know, we do need to open it. Let me show them what it is. So this is an amazing buy as well. I hope it applies super easy, but what it is, it's wallpaper. So I don't really know how much it comes with, but we'll open it out and try to see how much it is. But I got this at Target. They have a bunch of beautiful wallpapers, and considering my room's now gonna be black and white, this is just perfect. I love this pattern so much. It's actually my banner on YouTube. And it's kind of like that basic girl wallpaper, but I love it.
Here, let me see it.
Here, you hold it.
Oh, okay, that's good.
So you're gonna need 2 people to take it out. All right, this looks like a lot of wallpaper. It's just a huge sticker.
Where are you putting that?
This wall. You see the IKEA drawer right there? I'm gonna put it on the side of the IKEA drawer. Again, to see that and how it looks after, the next video. So this definitely was a good find. And it's at Target, like anyone can get it super easily. The quality is really good. Like the pattern does not look faded. It looks really spot on.
Okay, next item. How about another poster?
Oh yeah, that one comes, I have to show the little green ones there as well.
Okay.
Next one. Oh, this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let me tell you something about this. As you guys can see, it says Walgreens photo. Don't buy expensive posters on Etsy or like a PDF file or a canvas. Let me tell you how to do this the cheap way, but it still looks very nice. So, you're gonna log into your Walgreens. You're gonna pick out your favorite photo that you like, and then you're gonna go over to posters, and then you are going to just print out a huge poster, whatever you like, of any image you want. Just make sure the photo is HD, then you can get one of these. I picked this photo out literally on Google. I typed in, I think, just pretty ocean or something, and I got this, and let me tell you, it was only like, it was cheap. I'll put the price right here. It was cheap. And I also put a 50% off coupon, which Walgreens usually always has. So just look up 50% coupon code and you could get one of these. This is gonna look very nice in my room, and it's so inexpensive. It was like one of the smartest things I think I've thought of. Cause I almost bought one on Etsy, like a huge canvas that was gonna be like 40 bucks. So not worth it, but this, I think it was like less than $10. So it's just this pretty ocean. Do you like it, babe? There's actually rocks in the water, but I edited them out and you can't even tell, and the quality looks amazing. And it's just a poster you buy at Walgreens, like a huge sheet of paper of whatever image you want. Again, it does have to be HD, because if it's not gonna look as pretty and as nice. So it'll be fuzzy and blurry. As you guys can see in the background, I do have frames. We'll get into all the frames and where I got them, because they're all super cheap. Again, coupons, coupons, coupons. But I love this. So this is gonna be hanging by the Pudgy picture on the wall. Right there. Oh, same thing. Walgreens again. I think I got this one. This one's $5. Yeah, so this print right here, printed out for $5. I'm just gonna frame it and put it somewhere in my room. It's so pretty. It's this leaf pattern. Ryan already took out the other one, but I also got this print. It says make things happen. I got this one. It's a baby pink. It's not really showing on camera. I just wanted a quote in my room, like an inspirational one to motivate me. So I printed out this one. Can you grab me the frames to each of these? There should be a total of 3. The huge one is the pudgy one, that big box. All right, the photo frame. So I'll start off with this little one. I got this at Michael's, super cheap. I think it was like around $7. Again, I used coupons. You can always look them up, Michael's coupons. I will also put coupons down below if you guys just want to shop those. But this one's 11 by 14. This is gonna be for the motivational quote or the leaf one. I do need to get another one if I decide to put both of them up. And I think this one was like $11 or $12. Still really good considering I got them half off. This one's 16 by 20. This is gonna be for the ocean photo. I'm gonna hang it this way. The one you're watching Ryan do right now, that is the pudgy photo, because that one's huge. I wanted that one to be the biggest one in the room because obviously he's the biggest pug in the world. There it is. This one is from Amazon. Yeah, hence the box. There it is. It's a big boy one. Can you go out on the table and get me the pink lip gloss that's on the table? I need a touch up. Pretty big. This one is 18 by 24. Like I mentioned earlier, Pudgy's portrait is gonna be displayed here above the computer. I can't get over how great of a job they did on Pudgy's portrait. So amazing, did an amazing job on Sophie. It's so accurate. It's exactly what I wanted, and he just looks so silly in it, and that just captures his personality perfectly. Thank you.
You're being kind of mean to me.
How?
And I want you to film this, and I want you to include this in your video. I don't want you to edit this. I want your followers to know that you are mean.
It's a little too pink. What?
You completely ignored me.
You're joking.
I know I am.
Next.
I'm a jokester.
Pick whatever box you like next.
I'm a jokester.
This is a good home renovation video because if I saw all this stuff for this price, I'd buy a lot of it.
Where are these from, IKEA?
These are from Target.
Oh.
So I got these really pretty palm leaves from Target a while back, but I never put them in my room because they just didn't match the pink walls. But these were around like $5 each. It's kind of expensive for just like a little stick. I think you could get these on Amazon or eBay for much cheaper. But I like them, they're really pretty. I already have like a vase to kind of just put them in. I think I'm gonna put them on the floor actually, like kind of all dainty and cute in the corner. But yeah, I really love these. Target, if you just want to get them right now, go ahead. I love greenery and palm leaves, and they're just so pretty. Next box.
Look at this.
They're so pretty.
Never mind. Let's do the Hollywood makeup mirror. Here, this is gonna be my video now.
Okay, you want to actually open it?
No.
Okay.
Well, yeah, I'll open it for you.
This package is super exciting because it involves
mirrors.
It involves a mirror, and I love mirrors, and it's gonna like change my life in a way.
Cover my ears. I don't like styrofoam.
Doesn't bother me. Okay, can you lift the rest off? Good thing it's packaged well because it is a mirror. So here it is. It's from Amazon. Linked below. Look at it!
That is cool.
It's a little baby vanity mirror. It comes with a little baby mirror. Some manual stuff in the mirror itself. Oh, you can see, you guys. So I got it in white, it lights up, and look at this big. You'll think this is cool. You see those buttons on the actual mirror?
Mm-hmm.
Like it's just a touch of the mirror, and it adjusts how you like it. Yeah.
Cool.
And it moves, yeah, just like that, and you see? This is really exciting because I'm not a person, again, if you watch my videos, I don't get ready while sitting down, ever. I stand up in front of a mirror just because that's what I've always had. I never had like a vanity or anything, and I mean, I still don't really, but I have a little one now. So you see that desk? I don't really use it like with the computer. Like we play music on the computer and stuff, and it has a lot of storage on there, so it's good for saving stuff, but I want to utilize it more. So I'm gonna put this mirror like somewhere here. I don't know. Maybe I'll put it to the side or something, but we'll leave it there for now. I'm gonna have it sit there, so when I do my makeup, I have a little spot, you know, like I can sit and try to do it like that. Let's see if I even like it, because I might just like standing more, who knows. Oh, he's plugging it in. Yeah, and I'm gonna have like my makeup to the side right there too. So it's just like a little vanity station. It's very cheap, affordable. I know we all want this, but I can't have that right now because my room is not big enough for it. Ooh! It's, oh my god, it's bright.
One doesn't work though.
No! Yeah, well, one bulb doesn't work, so I will message them. They could probably send me a replacement or something. But it's really bright.
So this
That's a
is
good thing.
on and off. That means you could change like the...
It's really good quality. Another Amazon package. This one's exciting as well. Can you guess what these are?
Let me see.
Taking them out.
It's spots, I think.
For what? So I got these pillowcases. They came with 2 for like 12 bucks on Amazon. And if you notice, they match the wallpaper and they're gonna match a few other things I'm gonna show you. But it's just this black and white spots. I love this pattern again, super cute. It's gonna go next to the other pillows, well, pillow I bought from eBay, and I just think it's gonna look really nice. Like my room is gonna be so cute when it's done.
You ain't going to the Hobby Lobby?
We got a big bag from Hobby Lobby.
It's my favorite store of all time.
No, it's not. I like Michael's though more, to be honest, but like, okay, I got these bins. I wasn't sure about these. I didn't know if I really wanted them, but I mainly got them because I know I'm gonna need bins in the room. And again, they are the same pattern as the pillows I just showed you and the wallpaper. I also got these on sale for I think 6 bucks each, so that's pretty good. And this last thing, they gave me a huge discount on it because it's kind of damaged, but not really. I got this, I don't even know what I'm gonna use this for. This is a tray. Maybe like we could put our remotes, maybe drinks in there. Like, it's just a tray to put whatever you want. Maybe it's for jewelry, I don't know, but it has the same pattern again. It's just gonna sit somewhere in the room and we'll just stack things on it. And I love that it's black around, like it's not brown, it's black and sleek and black and white. So I really love this purchase I got for 10 bucks. It was originally 20, but again, the damage here that I was mentioning is, you can't even really see it. It's this, there's like a black stain on it right there. Black stain, but nothing too big, but they did give me a discount for that, so very happy about that. I think we're to the last item.
I saved this for last.
Yay!
It's a good thing.
It is. They already know what it is pretty much, because now it doesn't wanna.
Here, I'll do it.
No, I don't wanna fall.
Here.
This chair is broken. We needed a new one. Brian actually, in a way, got this for me. In a way.
No way.
And we're gonna open it. It's huge. It's the chair. Here.
All right.
Big boy package. Okay, I think I got the seat.
Pattiya thinks it's a bed.
So this is the seat. It's this nice and furry. I don't know if you guys can tell in my room, we have a lot of fur going on that I already just had. That was like a theme sort of before, but it didn't look good with the pink that much. But now we have this furry desk chair that is not gonna let me fall anymore. So that is that. And it's gonna be the top. So
looks comfy.
Brian's gonna put it together.
Where do you get it from?
This is from Home Depot.
Interesting.
It was a good price to me, like $100 for a nice sturdy furry chair. I thought of buying a furry cover for the old chair, but it's kind of dumb because it's broken. And that's like $60. So for technically another $40, you get the actual chair. I don't know. Here's
the base.
Yeah.
I don't know.
This is the.
What is that? Oh, okay. Interesting. I forgot about that.
I think this is easy. I think I could do it if I really tried. It's just I don't want to.
Okay, then do it.
We have the
wheels. Look, he thinks the plastic is comfy.
So that's the end of the room decor haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're interested in any of these things, the links will be down below. I'll also link down some coupons to each place. I'll keep it really organized down there. And yeah, if you liked any of these items, please give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next video, which is us just decking the room out. And I'll see you next time. Bye.